how I lost $3,751. That is actually a very big number. Okay, but actually I lost something more than that, and that is this baby right here. Okay, with that being said, please, if you're new here on my channel, make sure you like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure you turn on your bell notification icon so that YouTube will notify you anytime I drop a banger video like this. Okay, with that being said, let's quickly get into this video. Okay, so this is actually my account, my baby, my precious lover that I lost to sugar mommy or sugar daddy AdSense. Okay, this account was closed back in April. Okay, so I was supposed to be paid on the 21st of April. Okay, but it got closed on the 14th, I guess. So let me show you guys the payment section of how I lost $3,751. Okay, let's allow you to load. I haven't reviewed this account on my channel at all. Okay, currently it's having $1.27 on my account, on my balance. Okay, so if you check the last payment, okay, let's see, let me click on it. Let's allow you to load. Okay, so if you take a close look here, the last payment was $3,751. Okay, that was actually the last payment. The payment was released some days ago. That was on 12th of May. Okay, normally I'm not supposed to receive this money. Okay, but I don't know, it happened. I received the money. Okay, when the account got closed, I gave up. I wasn't expecting the money to land, but fortunately for me, it came true. Okay, now I'm going to tell you guys, or rather I'm going to show you guys why this account was banned. It wasn't banned because of maybe breaking the rules, violation and all of that. Okay, it wasn't banned because I was getting invalid traffic or bot traffic or anything. I will tell you guys why this account was banned. So if you check the invalid traffic, you can see that it was just a little amount that was removed. That means most of the traffics coming to this site are real and legit. So I'll tell you guys why this account got banned. Now let's head over to this place. So this is the site that actually has that account. Okay, the name of this site is examexpose, okay, .com.ng. Now this site is less than a year old. Okay, but I've received money up to 10 times with this account. Okay, now on a real sense, this account is supposed to be very strong, so it can carry any amount, because I've done figures with this account, right? Real figures. I've done figures with this account. So but a time came when I changed the theme of this site. Is actually a blogger site. Okay, a time came when I changed the theme. Okay, so after changing the theme, I also changed the niche to this particular niche, which is the scholarship and immigration niche. Okay, so I wanted to try out my AdSense arbitrage method on it. So I decided to include 10 posts on the niche I wanted to try out. So after that, I included 10 posts on scholarship and immigration. So after that, I reverted the rest of my posts to draft. Okay, that means apparently I was having only 10 posts available on the blog. Okay, and if you know very well, after changing your theme on Blogger, the contact us, the about us, this disclaimer and all of that, it needs to be available on a real sense. Okay, so I forgot to impute them as usual. Okay, I just left my blog with 10 posts and with no page. My blog was just there, so it was just my carelessness. I know, I take it. So I started pushing traffic. Like I started pushing a lot of traffic to this site. Okay, I shared the traffic analytics and all of that with you guys in my last video. So I pushed a lot of traffic to this place, and I was making figures. I was doing well, making figures with only 10 posts. These are the 10 posts: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, only 10 posts. I was doing figures, doing amazingly well. Not until I woke up one day. Actually, the account got limited, but even at that, I was still making my money. Okay, not until I woke up one day, I saw that the account was closed, and they sent me the reason, which was actually this thing I just listed, that I was no longer keeping with the Google terms and conditions and all of that. So that was the reason why it got closed. So my purpose of doing this video is to also tell you not to make the mistake that I made. Okay, so make sure you're obeying the rules and regulations guiding Google AdSense. Also, in case you get monetized, don't delete your old post, your parent post that you used to get monetized. And also, when you're making your new post, make sure you still obey. Don't post clean content and all of that. They might wake up one day and not decide to warn you and then close your account. So just take note of that. Now, some people have been saying a whole lot of things that my earnings are fake, that I don't refresh my page, blah blah blah. Some also said that my account has been banned. That's why I don't make posts again. A lot of people said a lot of things. I mean, like, I've been taking my time, grinding steady, making it back to back, getting new accounts. Okay, I'm going to be dropping some tips again in this video. So this is actually an Australian account that I just copped in. I bought it. Okay, so, and it's doing well. Now let me tell you guys something. Some people expect you to start doing figures as soon as you get an account. That is not actually good. That's why most people get ads limits, and also that's why some people get closed. Okay, just imagine you bought or you got approved on a particular blog and you are not getting up to 1000 page views or visitors on your blog before you got approved. Let's say we are getting like 50, 10, 100 daily views, daily page views on your blog, and as soon as you got monetized, you started getting 1,000, 10,000 page views in a day, 5,000 visitors in a day. Of course, we're making good figures, but that is also suspicious. Okay, now imagine if you are getting those figures now, and maybe probably when you run out of money and you're able to continue running your ads, now you start making maybe $1, $2. Just imagine making $100, $200 every day, and you run out of money for ads, and then you start making $2, $3. It's very suspicious. Automatically your account is gonna get ads limits. Okay, so Facebook ads, or rather Facebook traffic, doesn't really cause ads limits. Okay, most people fear that a lot. Of course, social traffic is a low quality traffic which Google actually frowns at, but not when it's coming from real IPs. Okay, if you manage things very well, you're gonna get the most, and no ads limit will affect you. Okay, so that is one. Okay, another thing is, make sure you're not getting your traffic from an unknown source like bot traffic. Okay, so that will also help you to keep your account safe. Now, for people that are saying that my accounts got limited, well, my accounts are not limited, my accounts are safe. Now, there is something that I call nurturing account. Now, nurturing account means taking things step by step. Now, this is not a new account, but it has done figures. If you check the last payment, it's just 102 Australian dollars, and the balance is 24 Australian dollars. Before I got it, I started working on it yesterday, just yesterday. Okay, now what I call nurturing of account is this. Since this account has not been doing so good, like it has not been doing like good figures before, and you want to start loading it $500 a day, you're going to get banned. Okay, so to nurture this account now, I can decide to be making $20, $50. I'll just keep it within the range of $100 for like 30 days. Then I'll collect my money JJ into my account. Then upper month, I can take things up a notch by getting like $100 to $200 a day. Okay, for me to nurture an account, it takes 2 months for me to nurture an account successfully before I'll start doing the big figures, like probably $500 a day. If you have the balls, you can do $1,000 a day and so on. So that is what you need to know also to keep your account safe. Alright, so at times I can even leave my account dormant. Okay, I can leave my account dormant at least to cash out my first money. Okay, within the process of leaving your account dormant, it can get limited, of course. Yeah, you can just wait, keep it, wait, cash out your money. But I don't really advise people to keep the account dormant. Keep doing what you're doing. So far you know what you're doing is actually very good and you're not breaking any terms and conditions, keep doing what you're doing and be making your money. So far you're not doing anything wrong, AdSense will come after you. Okay, so for people that said that I don't refresh my accounts, let me go ahead and refresh this one. Okay, to show you guys that I'm not doing anything crazy, right? Okay, before I started it was around 50 something, now it's 63. Okay, I didn't use any inspector tool or whatever you guys used to do that. Okay, all my stores are real and legit. So let me show you guys another of my accounts. Okay, yeah, I will say something about ads limits. Nobody's above ads limit. All right, one of my accounts is limited and I'll show you guys. But before that, let me show you guys another account. And also for people that wonder if you can actually log into several accounts with one laptop, yes, you can do that. Nothing is going to happen. AdSense didn't say that we're going to, like, you're not going to be logging in into different accounts with one laptop. So if you check this account too, okay, I've done $454 this month, sorry, euros this month, right? Okay, so the last payment was 136. So if you check, as of 7 days, more than 7 days ago, I haven't been working on this account. Why? Let me pull out my 450 first. Okay, let me pull out my 450 first. So if I'm able to pull out this 450, like, let it be added in the balance first, then after that, before, like, okay, after this money gets added to the balance, then you can then continue and do more figures. Now if I cash out my 450, from here I can do 1000, from 1000 2000, from 2000 3000, and so on, right? That is what I call nurturing of account. Okay, so let me show you guys another account. This account too. So this is a pounds account that I bought last month. If you followed my video very well, you realize that I've shown this account before. So this account, okay, I've pulled out my first money from this account, which is 423. It landed just this month. Okay, so this month I've made 78. Now I can now go on and load this account, like I can push traffic to this account now and then continue to make my money. Okay, before the month runs out, I'm probably going to make more than this 400, probably 1,000 pounds before the month runs out. Okay, so that's what I call nurturing of accounts. If you guys can do this, is account management. Don't be greedy. Don't be so greedy, like, since you know the method to load it, just you keep on loading and loading and loading and your account gets limited. No, nurture the account to carry bigger amounts. Okay, by so doing, you can do big figures and your account will still be safe for you. Okay, so let me show you guys another account. Okay, I think I have few accounts on this laptop. Okay, so this account as well. Which country Adsense account is this? Okay, this is a Nigerian account. So also it has 2 blocks connected to it. Okay, and the last payment is 135. The balance is 60. So I'm nurturing the account. Just got it. Okay, I buy AdSense accounts, I work on accounts as well. So I just got this one and I'm nurturing it. All right, nurturing it. $8, $20, tomorrow $30, $50, next tomorrow, just within the range of 100 on a daily. Then when you pull out your money, you can take things up a notch. Okay, another account. Have I shown this one? I think so. Let's wait. Okay, I've shown this one before. I have another one. I have another pounds account, like 2 left to show. Okay, this one too, I just started working on it yesterday. 65, like the CPC got screwed yesterday and I wasn't planning to get 65 because I just started working on this site just yesterday, seriously. Okay, so 65 and today 19, and total we'll have 84 this month. Tomorrow I will just take things a little by little. Okay, the CPC is down, very down, still very confused, but hey, it's okay. So this is what I call account management and nurturing of accounts. So the last account I'm going to show for this video is this particular account. Okay, let's allow it to load. So for people that said that I don't use to refresh my page, you guys are seeing it. This one is 5. I've pulled out my first money on this account, and this month will have 37. Before the month runs out, we can make like 400, 500. Then from next month we can start hitting it hard. Okay, the last one I want to show, sorry I said last before, but this one is the last, which is the one that is on ads limit. Okay, now I'll show you guys the reason why this account is on ads limit. Okay, so I was making good, like, nurturing the account the way I said I used to nurture accounts, but after some time I stopped. Okay, after 4 days, 5 days, no money was coming into the account, and then the account got limited. So that's why I said that nobody is above ads limit. All right, nobody is above banned, but just please stay within your strength that you don't get banned. All right, so this is the site that actually got limited. Okay, so this is the site. Now there is a way I remove ads limit very fast. I would have shown that in this video, but is actually going to be very long. I don't want this video to be very long. Okay, but it's currently serving ads limit, but hopefully soon it's going to be free and I'll start making my money. So this is actually to show you guys that I also get limited. All right, nobody's above it. Now I have my major accounts that are already matured, that I do create figures, but I don't want to show it in this video. It's not even on this laptop. Okay, maybe in my other videos I will dive deep and show you guys good figures. Like when I say good figures, good figures. All right, so my purpose of doing this video is to show you guys that anything can happen. All right, you just have to play safe. Anything you are doing, make sure you are still abiding by the rules and regulations so that you don't lose your account. Okay, so with that being said, please, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and also if you need traffic for approval, make sure you message me on Instagram. If you need a new UK account freshly monetized, message me on WhatsApp. I'm going to give you at a very good rate. All right, make sure you subscribe. Like I said, my number is going to be down there, my WhatsApp number. Hit me up on WhatsApp. Let's get you started. With that being said, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Stay safe and peace out.